my channel. I hope you all are having a fabulous day. I'm really excited to do this unboxing. It is definitely a little different from my channel. It's not beauty related. It's not snacks. It is actually something for my husband. It is a subscription for him. So, as you can see from the description, it is the Dollar Shave Club, which we got right here. I have seen this around for so long, and my husband has always been very funny about razors. He does have sensitive skin, bless his heart, and has always preferred the Gillette Profusion 5 blade whatever. But I have my best friend who has been using this for years, her husband, and my dad recently started using it. He also has sensitive skin. So I wanted to give it a try I wanted to order it and let him give it a try. And the really cool thing is, when you first sign up with Dollar Shave Club, you don't need a code, you don't need anything. You get your starter kit for $5. Which is what this is. And I will open and obviously show you guys the stuff in just a minute. I will put their website down below for you guys. And like I said, their starter kit is $5 with free shipping. Can't beat it. Even if you just want to get that, and then if you want to cancel, you can. But I mean, that's a great deal. Now their monthly plans after that are still pretty awesome. You can get the twin if you just want like the 2 blades, and it's I think $3. And then the 4 blade is $6, and the executive, which has I think 5, maybe 6, I'm not sure, is $9, and they send you 4 of them a month. So it's a great deal. You can't go to Target or to Walmart, you know, and buy razors for that price. And I have heard nothing but great things about the quality of the razors. So if this is a score for him, so when he gets home from work tonight, he will definitely be using this. He's been waiting for it to come in. Now he knows how I feel about my subscription boxes. Just saying. He kept saying, when is the box coming? When is the box coming? Now you know, honey. Now you know. But anyway, so I'm going to open this and show you guys what is in here. Again, this is for my husband, so he will be pleasantly surprised when he gets home today and he sees that it has finally arrived. But I wanted to show you guys what was in here, and if you hadn't heard of it, tell you about it so you could try it. Okay. There we go. So, open it up and it says, your everyday routine just got a little less routine. And right on top it has the member handbook. Welcome to the club. Shave time, shave money. Dear new member. Okay, so this is just talking about how every month you can go in and you can like if there's certain things, because they do have other products. If you want to add things to your box every month, or if you want to change, if you know you signed up for, say, the executive, which is the $9 a month subscription, if you want to go down to the 4X or 4 time, however you want to say it, the 4 blade razor, to the $6, you can do that at any time. And you can also add, like I said, to your box monthly if you want to purchase an additional item. So it was just talking about that. And the Undead issue. I'm not sure what this is. It says your bathroom reader, October 2018. So I don't know if it's just some kind of little, looks like it has stories and stuff inside. So maybe it's just something for men to toss in the bathroom and read that they need to. So then we open it, and you can see for $5 you get quite a few things. So let's go through and see exactly what they are. Right here on top, the first thing okay. There's 3 of these. Original peppermint scent. 1 wipe Charlie's. Gentle and effective with aloe vera and chamomile. The civilized way to wipe. 1 wipe Charlie's features a strong yet soft and flushable cloth wipe with a gentle and effective cleansing solution. Botanical ingredients, aloe vera and chamomile, are naturally soothing, while refreshing cucumber and a peppermint scent leave you feeling clean. Vitamin E leaves the skin naturally hydrated. So to remove and unfold wipe, gently wipe a desired area, dispose, wait for great things to happen. So these are for your bum. Just gonna say it, these are for your bum. Oh, 3 of those. My husband probably will not use those. Go ahead and tell you, because he's very funny. I had purchased some Poopery one time, and it was a minty scent, and he spritzed the water, and he said that it splashed and burnt him. That may have been a little TMI, but he's not going to use those, I can guarantee you. So we're just going to move past that. Probably definitely a little TMI. So anyway, the next item is Dr. Carver's Easy Shave Butter for effortless, delightful shaving. Okay, so I'm guessing this is like kind of like shaving cream. So that's awesome. And then we have Wanderer Calming Amber Lavender Body Cleanser. It says sulfate free. So I'm guessing this is just a body wash. So that's great. And then, wow, that's quite sturdy. The handle for the razor, and it's got the rubber grips, and it's really like heavy duty. Like, that's actually very nice. And then here we have the blades. It says slice. Good thing for tennis, bad for faces. Change your blade each week. And it comes with the 4 razor refills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is 6 blades. It is 6 blades. This is the executive. So, and obviously you would just snap. I'm going to put all of this back in the box for him so he kind of feels like he did get his box. I told him I was going to make the video, so I mean, he's not going to be surprised that I opened it, but still. So that's, all of that was $5. I mean, I'm sorry, but you can't beat that. I don't think you can. You certainly, like I said, cannot go to Target or Walmart and, you know, get razors any cheaper than that. Not not quality razors. And that's going to be the thing, is to see the quality of these razors. Like I said, I've only heard good things. My best friend's husband, my dad, they all use them and have nothing but positive things to say. And then obviously reviews and things I've seen online. So I'm excited for my husband. And like I said, this was $5. It's $9 a month after that for the 4 cartridges. And at any time, you know, you can switch to the $6 or even the $3. And like I said, you're not going to find razors any cheaper than that. Not quality. If these are as good as I've heard, you're not going to find that quality for that price. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, yes, this was something a little bit different, but I wanted to share. And I do have another box coming that my husband does not know about. That is for him. So gonna change it up a little bit. I know I've done a couple boxes that have been more tailored to Christopher, my son, and then obviously generally we have our beauty and jewelry or snack, just different stuff that is our normal for the channel, but I do like to throw in some random stuff in here, like I said, for Christopher, and now this one and one more for my husband. So I hope you guys do subscribe. Look forward to many unboxings. Again, I do truly appreciate you guys being here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will, like I said, put the link for Dollar Shave Club down below. So if you would like to sign up, you can. Otherwise, I will see you guys for the next video. I hope you all have a fabulous day.